Hello children, good morning. Welcome back to our EVS class. Children, in yesterday's class we have revised my family lesson. So in today's class we are going to revise our food lesson. So we are having worksheets now children. Yesterday we have completed one worksheet. So today the other worksheet we are going to complete. So take out the other worksheet children. See, here is our second worksheet paper. Our food lesson children. Okay. So first one is missing letters. So see the missing letters children. What are the missing letters? ST dash O dash G. What is this word? STRONG. Strong. Next. SPICES. Spices. Next. VEGTABLES. Vegetables. Next. PULSES. Pulses. Utensils. 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 Next. BUTTER. Butter. HEALTHY. Healthy. DIET. Diet. DISEASES. Diseases. HUNGRY. Hungry. Okay children. So you have to learn these spellings. Come to next Roman. Mention true or false. We eat different kinds of food. Yes. True. We eat food when we feel happy. When we feel happy we eat food children. No, when we feel hungry, we eat food. So, this is a false sentence. Write F. Cucumber and carrot, we can eat raw. Yes, true. We should have milk products every day. Yes. Write T. We should eat uncovered food. Uncovered food is healthy, children? No. False. Okay, next. Choose the correct option. We need food to grow, fly, run. Which is the correct answer? Grow. Right here. GROW. Grow. You can see the spelling here and you can write here children. Okay. We get milk from plants, trees, animals. Which one children? We get milk from animals. Right here. ANIMALS. Animals. Next. We should drink a glass of milk every day, once a week, every hour. Which is the correct answer children? Every day. Right here. EVERY. Every. DAY. Day. Every day. Next. We have dash meals in a day. How many meals children? 3, 4, 2. Yes, we have 3 meals. THREE. 3 meals. We use dash to cook food. Books, toys, spices. Spices. Right here. SPICES. Spices. Okay. Now turn the paper. Match the following. Turnip. Turnip is a leafy vegetable. At night, milk product, vegetable, fruit. What is the turnip children? Vegetable. Match. Orange. Orange is a fruit. Spinach is a leafy vegetable. Dinner. We eat dinner at night. Curd is a milk product. Okay. Match it. Next. Answer in one word. When do we have our lunch? When do we have our lunch children? Afternoon. Right. AFTER. After. NOON. Noon. Afternoon. How many glasses of water we should drink every day? 8 to 10 glasses of water. 8 to 10 glasses of water. Okay. Come to next question children. Write a good habit that you follow while eating. While eating, what we will follow children? We wash our hands. So write here. Wash our hands. Okay. Now come to next Roman. Name any two of the following. Raw food. Right. Carrot. What we will eat raw? Raw vegetables. Carrot. Cucumber. Next. Any vegetables. Two vegetables you can write here. Brinjal. You can write your own vegetables also, children. Tomato. Milk products. What are the milk products, children? Curd, butter. Okay. Next. Guess who am I? Will you guess, children? See, I am reading the question. I am a fruit and I am red in color. If you eat every day one, it keeps doctor away. Guess who am I? Yes, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Okay. Last one, children. Think and answer. What will happen if we eat only junk food? What will happen, children, if we eat junk food? Is it good for our health? No, it is not good for our health. We may fall sick. We may fall sick. Okay. So, this is the worksheet paper we have completed. Now, children, open your EVS HW book. We can write the question and answers. Open your EVS HW book. Write here date 12-8 revision 3. And this, what is this lesson, children? Arford. Arford lesson, question and answers. Okay. Underline with crayon, children. First question. WHYY DO do WEV NEED need FOOD food. Why do we need food? Write the answer. Capital W V WEV NEED need FOOD food TO2 GROW grow healthy HEA LTHY healthy AND and STAY stay strong STRONG strong. We need food to grow healthy and stay strong. Okay, children, write this answer 3 times, children. Okay. Say and write, children. While you are writing, you have to learn the spellings. Healthy, stay, strong, grow, food. All these spellings you should know. So, practice writing and reading also. Okay. Come to second question, children. HOW, how? DOES, does. FOOD, food. HELP, help. US, us. How does food help us? Now write the answer, children. FOOD, food. HELP, help. US, us. TO2, fight. FIGHT, fight. WITH, with. Diseases. DISEASES, diseases. Food helps us to fight with diseases. Helps. Okay, children. This is the first point. And next point. FOOD, food. Gives, GIVES, gives us. US, us. energy, energy, energy. TO2, work, work, work. And and play, play, play. Food gives us energy to work and play. Say once again, children. Food helps us to fight with diseases. Food gives us energy to work and play. Okay? Write this answer also 3 times, children. Okay? So from this lesson you practice these 2 question and answers. Okay, children? So practice worksheet and question and answers also. These worksheets, textbook, classwork book and revision. All you have to revise, children. That's all for today. Thank you, children.